My name is Jason Inda. I'm the sales manager for our concrete area. Also help out a lot with operations, so kind of a jack of all trades when it comes to that end of it. MCC is located in the Fox Valley, Wisconsin. We've got 9 plants and a mobile plant, so we have the Fox Valley pretty well covered. Today we are at our Appleton BB plant on Prospect, pretty much near the heart of Appleton, Wisconsin, and this is one of our busier plants just because of location. We are using the Marquette system for our batching. We switched over to it a couple years ago. It's been a great change. With that, we run the AI system on there that's helped us become more efficient, which helps all the way around. We can give a better product to our customers. Obviously, it's saving us money for operations that our ownership team and upper management has done very well reinvesting into the company and the people who work for us. So it really controls the operating systems of how it loads, really helps us keep track of what's going in at what times, making sure that it's the right amounts, and really narrowing it down so we can be as efficient as we can in putting in the right amount of everything so the quality of the product is there every time. Our QC team uses it quite often. They look into it, they follow up on each mix, how it's loading, how the batch weights are, making sure that when we design something that it's actually loading properly for what it's designed to do. We've seen it on all sides. Issues with concrete have gone down since running it. It's really helped us to be better in putting out a better product more consistently.